Ever pondered about your financial health? Or perhaps wrestled with the intricate maze of getting approved for loans? Well, you're not alone. It's a common struggle that many face. But there's a solution that's been under your nose the whole time. Meet Sequoia Lending's credit repair service. Imagine a world where you don't have to second-guess your financial decisions. A world where you're in control, not your credit score. That's what Sequoia Lending's credit repair service offers, a chance to regain control over your financial life. Our credit repair service is not just about fixing numbers on a report. It's about helping you build a sustainable financial future. It's about understanding your credit history, identifying errors, and disputing them effectively. It's about offering expert guidance on how to manage your credit better. You see, repairing credit isn't a quick fix. It's a process, and Sequoia Lending is with you every step of the way. We analyze your credit reports from all 3 credit bureaus, pinpoint inaccuracies, and work diligently to rectify them. We also provide personalized advice on how to maintain a healthy credit profile moving forward. But what does this mean for you? How does better credit health benefit you? The answer is simple: opportunity. A higher credit score opens doors. It makes you more attractive to lenders, increases your borrowing power, and can even lower your interest rates. And if you're a business owner, this could mean the difference between securing that much-needed business loan or not. With Sequoia Lending's credit repair service, you're not just improving your credit score, you're improving your chances of financial success. So, why continue wrestling with financial uncertainty? Step into a world where your financial health is not just a dream, but a reality. Sequoia Lending's credit repair service is the key to that door. It's time to unlock your potential and open up a world of financial opportunities. Remember, a healthy credit score is not just a number, it's your financial passport. And Sequoia Lending is here to ensure it's in the best shape possible, because at the end of the day, your financial health matters. And with Sequoia Lending, you're in good hands. Welcome to a future of financial freedom. Welcome to Sequoia Lending's credit repair service.